Hold up, Pulu, that shit.
Yo, what it do, fam? Today we're back with a new beat. Today we're gonna be doing a dark Detroit type East G beat. This is my first one actually, so hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully it slaps, and let's get into it. Oh yeah, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Alright, so for the first thing that I got for this beat was gonna have to either be, it's gonna be these keys right here. So, you know, for these Detroit beats, you have to have those crazy key melodies. So I did it in the D sharp minor chord. This is what I got right here, and I used a contact right here for this one. So this is what I got. And right now I'm pretty sure there's a faster way to do this. I should have put in my shortcuts. Next shortcut, I got you guys with that one too. But it just makes it sound a little more realistic. Compared to how it sounded, you know, just sounded too clean on the first one. But alright, so after that, what we did was we went and got these deep keys. And if anybody knows any other, because I was using FL keys for this, but I think you can use a better piano. But this is what I got right here for the chords, or for the deep keys. I don't like how that one sounds right there. Sounds a little better like that than that other key. Yeah, so I'll leave it like that. So then we put those two melodies together is what you get right here. And then I'll just lower that a little bit. So then after that, what I did was I went and got this orchestra, can't say that right, orchestra out of a Hive. Here's what I got right here for the melody. It's nothing too crazy, just giving it a little sinister vibe. Let's see if I can add something to it. Nah, yeah, I'll just leave it like that for now. So then we put those three main melodies together. It's kind of what you get. And you know, you can just hear the sinister vibe on that, the dark, gritty vibe on that one. Sounds like Jason's coming for you, or someone's coming for you for sure. Alright, so then after that, what we got were these pads, and I got a little pad in there. I actually have two, one for like the beginning, and then one for different parts, just so it didn't get too repetitive. But this is how the main pad sounds. I just wanted to give it the background some more just more of a background vibe to it. It's kind of what you get. And like I said, that was just to give it more of a texture in the back. Just so it didn't sound too blank in the background. And one of the last melodies we did add was this angel voice. kind of wanted to give it just more, just adding my own sauce and to see if what I can make with it. And added this vocal choir right here. So then we put those together. I only have them with the few sounds because I don't want to mix all these sounds together. So what you get. Actually, I think I had the Orch, which I think it was Orch, maybe. Let's see. I don't have it too loud either, just so you can't really hear it too much, but just more for background noise. Alright, so now I'm going to take you guys into the drums. And I'm going to play the drums for you real quick, let you guys hear them and get on to how they look and all that. So this is what we got for the drums. Snare. The hi-hats, I really didn't do too much to those. For the Detroit beats, you really don't want to add too much to your hi-hats because it's already a fast tempo. There's a lot of things going on at once, so that's all I got right there for the hi-hats. I'll let you guys get that one more time. And for the Detroit beats, you're going to want to use this one, right here, 1/6 steps. And then last for the 808, what I did was I just got those deep keys, copied and pasted, and just took the bottom notes off. Oh, honestly, I didn't even notice those. And there's what you get right here. For the perks, the only thing I think I will add, because I don't really want to add too much perks either, was this little bow sound actually. I think number 2 might sound cool. Let's see how that sounds. Might go with number 1. Alright fam, so that's pretty much it for the drums. Like I said, the Detroit beats, you really don't want to do too much on the drums because, you know, the beats are already going to be going crazy and fast enough as it is. So that's pretty much it for this beat. Like I said, this is my first beat. I just, you know, cooked it up yesterday. I'm pretty sure I'll get better at them. This is just a beginner type beat, but I'll let you guys listen to the full thing. Thank y'all for staying till the end. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's check this beat out.
Hold up, Pooh, loop that shit.
comment, subscribe.